Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Rollator Walker Parts is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining the safety, functionality, and longevity of your mobility aid, ensuring that you can continue to navigate your world with confidence and independence. And today we're diving deep into what makes certain replacement parts stand out from the crowd, helping you make informed decisions for your specific needs. Number 5. Drive Medical Nitro Elite CF Rollator. Meet the Nitro Elite CF, a revolutionary mobility aid designed for your comfort and independence. Experience unparalleled support and ease of use. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to maneuver, while the foldable design ensures convenient storage and transport. Take it anywhere your adventures lead. Enjoy a comfortable rest whenever you need it with the integrated seat. The easy-to-use braking system provides reliable control and safety. Crafted for durability and style, this rollator comes in a sleek black finish. It's built to last and complement your personal style. Regain your freedom and confidence with this exceptional mobility solution. It's designed to help you navigate your world with greater ease and security. What we like. This model is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to maneuver. If you prioritize portability and ease of transport, this is an excellent choice. Its carbon fiber construction ensures durability without adding unnecessary weight. What people say. It is lightweight. It folds easy and stays folded. You can put it right by you because it does not take much room. The lighter frame really makes my various outings so much easier. I'm able to do things I've always enjoyed, before all the hip pain. Since I'm walking more, my hip pain is nowhere near what it was. The handlebars are adjustable, so they can be raised high enough that even a 6 feet 4 inches person like my husband feels comfortable using it. The seat is sturdy and higher than a standard chair seat, so I use it all the time at my computer desk, brakes on, of course. Rather than strain my back and knees in a regular height chair. It rolls beautifully, is easy to negotiate through rooms and doorways, and folds quickly for storage or putting in the car. Number 4. Drive Medical Nitro Duet Rollator Walker and Transport Wheelchair. Introducing the Nitro Duet, a revolutionary mobility solution. It seamlessly transitions from a comfortable rollator walker to a transport wheelchair. Navigate your world with ease thanks to its large front wheels. They provide a smooth and stable experience on various surfaces. Your safety is paramount. It features hand-activated brakes for reliable stopping power and a supportive backrest for added comfort. This device is designed for both the user and caregiver. It offers a comfortable seating option and easy maneuverability. Available in a vibrant red, it combines style with practicality. It's the perfect companion for seniors and adults seeking independence. When not in use, it conveniently folds for storage and transport. This makes it ideal for travel and keeping your space tidy. What we like. This option offers incredible versatility, functioning as both a rollator and a transport chair. If you often travel with a companion who might need to assist you or if you anticipate needing a break during longer outings, this is ideal. The ability to switch functions provides great flexibility. What people say. Mom is only 4'11" and the low handle setting is the perfect height for her, as is the seat. She was very unsteady walking on her own but walks quite confidently with the rollator. An added bonus is that she can now walk erect, with her head up, versus slumped with her head down. The rollator is sturdy and handles outdoor terrain, sidewalks and some grassy gravel areas, very well. I love the adjustable handles. I'm 5 feet 8 inches and my partner is 6 feet 3 inches. Having taller handles is already so much more comfortable. As a rollator, handles smoothly on pavement and grass. It stays straight even when I'm pushing it with one hand. It transforms into a transport chair in about 30 seconds. It's more comfortable than my standard rollator. It's also easier to move around since it folds inward. I can push it while moving it in and out of the house, which reduces how much lifting I need to do. It feels a little heavier than my standard rollator but it's still quite manageable. And it feels very sturdy and just well designed. Number 3. Lumex Replacement Arm Adjustment Knobs. Is your Lumex rollator's arm adjustment knob broken or missing? These replacement knobs are designed to bring back the full functionality to your mobility aid. These knobs are engineered as direct replacements for the Lumex RJ4300 series rollators. Ensure a perfect fit and reliable performance for your specific model. This is a genuine Lumex part, identified by the part number RJ4300, knob 2. You can trust in the quality and compatibility of an authentic replacement. Beyond the RJ4300 series, these knobs also feature a universal design that fits other Lumex rollators. Get the right fit for your Lumex device. The versatility extends to most rolling walkers from other brands as well. If you have a rolling walker that uses similar adjustment knobs, these might be the perfect solution. Replacing your old or damaged knobs is straightforward. Once installed, you can expect them to provide secure and reliable arm adjustments for everyday use. What we like. These are essential replacement parts for maintaining your rollator. If your current adjustment knobs are worn out or lost, these will restore functionality. They are designed for a universal fit, making them a convenient solution for many rolling walkers. What people say. New one, a perfect fit. I still have the second one as a spare. Parts fit just like the original. Perfect fit. We lost a knob to my sister's rollator and these worked great as replacements. They were exactly like the original equipment, locked in tightly, and didn't become loose during use. Number 2. Drive Medical Nitro Euro Style Rollator. Introducing the Nitro Euro Style Rollator by Drive Medical. It combines elegant design with practical features for enhanced mobility and independence. Navigate your surroundings with ease. Its lightweight frame and smooth rolling wheels make every journey more comfortable and less strenuous. Need a break? This rollator features a built-in seat, providing a convenient resting spot whenever you need it. Just sit down and relax. Feel confident with every step. The robust construction ensures stable support, allowing you to move around with greater security and peace of mind. Experience the freedom to go where you want, when you want. This mobility aid is designed to seamlessly integrate into your daily life, offering both style and substance. It's designed for your convenience. With simple adjustments and a foldable frame, it's easy to use and store when not in use. What we like. This rollator boasts a stylish Euro design and a spacious seat for maximum comfort. If you're looking for a rollator that combines aesthetics with practicality for everyday use, this is a great pick. The larger seat provides extra comfort for extended sitting periods. What people say. It is well made, doesn't have the cables hanging out where they can get caught on something, and is very maneuverable. Seat and adjustable seat back, comfortable. Nice little mesh bag to carry stuff. However, its claim to fame, and deserving of recognition, is how it folds up and is still maneuverable and stable. An elderly person with arthritis and mobility issues, as my mother, can easily grab the handle in the center of the seat and lift, folding it such that she can roll it through narrow doorways. This walker is very well built and comes fully assembled. The frame is very strong, but the weight is less than a less expensive walker we bought. The wheels grip well. The back support is comfortable. The seat is comfortable. The brakes work well. It folds easily just by pulling up on the seat. Number 1. Drive Medical Walker Glide Skis. Introducing the Walker Glide Skis from Drive Medical. Designed for universal fit, they make moving with your walker smoother than ever. These skis attach easily to your walker, allowing it to glide seamlessly across various surfaces. Say goodbye to dragging and hello to effortless movement. Their universal fit ensures compatibility with most standard walkers. Installation is quick and simple, so you can start enjoying enhanced mobility right away. Crafted for durability, these glide skis are built to last. They provide a stable and reliable solution for everyday use. Upgrade your walking experience with this essential accessory. They come as a pair, ready to improve your daily mobility and independence. What we like. These glide skis are perfect for enhancing mobility on various surfaces. If you frequently navigate rougher terrain like grass or gravel, these will make movement much smoother. They are designed for universal fit, making them a simple upgrade for most walkers. What people say. Much more durable the original equipment. Works as expected. Fits on walker easily, although takes some hand strength to apply. Smooth on carpets and hardwood. Doesn't scratch or tear flooring. These skis look more durable than those I have seen on other people's walkers. They are very easy to install. They glide smoothly on all surfaces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.